Hi there, my name is Chelsea, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of my Hobonichi 2021 order, and I'm so excited. I've never ordered directly from the Hobonichi website before, so this was a new experience for me, but I will link the website down below so you guys can check that out if you like. It's not difficult at all to order from their website, but you just have to make sure that you're ordering the correct things. I love the yellow box. I think it's super cute. Okay, so this is their 20th anniversary. I can't believe that they've been doing this for so long, and I feel like the community has really grown so much so that they're like, you know, trying new things, and I'm really excited about it. So let me pull out everything first. Okay, so these are all the freebies right here. You get like a pen for every planner or something. I don't know. It was a lot of freebies, which is really nice. So this is a brush pen, I think. I'm excited to try that out. So I got a couple of those, and then this is their regular, I don't know if this is gel or ballpoint. I cannot tell. But I'll try that out too, and I've got 3 of those. Okay, so this is the pen, and it has 3 barrels. It's got black, blue, and red. I just grabbed a random piece of paper. Ooh, and I started to write hello, but I suck, so there you go. So this, is this gel ink? I cannot tell. I think it's ballpoint. I've never ordered from the Hobonichi store before, so I haven't gotten their freebie pen. This is really nice though. Okay. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna try the brush pen. And it actually comes with like a little package of paper, I guess, if you want to try it out maybe. I don't know. Let's try that again, shall we? Ooh, it's very soft. Okay, so I'm not very good with this one. It's a pretty big tip and it's pretty soft, so like you don't have to press down hard to make a thick stroke. But see, it can do really small strokes as well. Anyway, okay, just thought I'd try that out in case anybody was curious what these pens are like. I think this is ballpoint, and this is a brush pen that is kind of like the Tombow ones, I think. Anyway, okay, so I got 3 Hobonichi planners. Let me zoom in. Let me start with the A6. So it comes with all of this fun stuff. If you want to look at that, I'm not gonna bother. All right, so I have used the A6 before, but I have not purchased the English version. I've always gotten the Japanese. I really like this. This is like, seems super fancy. And I do think these daily pages look a little bit nicer than the Japanese version, but that's just my preference. I think it's cleaner or something. Yeah, so this does have a yearly overview, and then it's got like this monthly sort of perpetual layout, and then you have month on 2 pages for the whole year, and then it starts into the dailies. So that's what the A6 is. It's a whole daily notebook, and I used to use this for art journaling. I might go back into it, I don't know. I've been using the Hobonichi Cousin, so let me get out that one next. Alright, so this is the Cousin, and it's a bit bigger. It's A5 size, and what I love about the Cousin is it has your yearly, your monthly, and weekly timed and daily. So it's like all in one book. It's so nice. And I really like the size because I feel like it's small enough where it still could be portable if you wanted to, but it's big enough where I feel like you could really write a lot in here if you had a lot going on. So there's the yearly, and then it has like these monthly pages where you could just list your appointments or birthdays, and then it has actual monthly pages, which we will be coming out with monthly kits for this soon-ish, I hope. And then we have the weeklies. So these are hourly. And then it goes to the dailies. So I've been doing my art journaling in this size, but a few years ago I was using A6, so I don't know. I bought both and now I'm conflicted. I kind of want to go back to this little guy, but I do love the cousin, so I don't know. I'll find a reason to use both of them. Okay, and then the other planner I got is the Hobonichi Weeks. And this one is, let's see, what color is it called? It doesn't say it on here, but this is the mint one, and it's definitely more of like a teal color, I would say. It's a lot more vibrant. So let me show you this compared to another mint planner that I have. Okay, so I reached into my old planner stash and I pulled out this mint Kiki K planner. I love it so much still. It's just like my favorite color. So here's a comparison. I don't know, for me, like when I was looking at haul videos for this, I really wanted to get a good idea of what the color is, and seeing a side-by-side like this would have really helped me, so here you go. It's definitely more vibrant, more greenish than bluish, so it's not like, I don't know, I wouldn't describe it as a Tiffany's blue. It's more of like, I don't know, teal, I guess. But I like the color. I think it's really pretty. And it's like sort of a fabric-y texture. So the cover is kind of soft, bendable, whatever, but it's pretty sturdy at the same time. And this is what the weeks looks like in case you've never seen that. We have the yearly overview, and then I guess it goes straight to the monthlies. And then you have weeklies. So the weeks is horizontal layout with a grid on the right side of the page. So yeah, that's what the Hobonichi Weeks looks like. It comes with little doodads and then a adhesive pocket that you could put on the inside cover if you want. And I did get a couple of accessories. These are kind of expensive. They're covers, and I've never purchased one before, so I was excited to try that out. But I only got one, so I didn't get one for all 3 sizes. I just decided to go with the A6 because I thought this cover was really cute. Okay, and I want to see how it's gonna fit. So it has a pocket here. All right, let me slip this in. That's a good fit. And then I also got this clear cover on cover. I'm so excited to actually have a Hobonichi cover. And there we have it. It's cute. So I like the clear because it kind of just keeps it protected. I like this because it's like a snug jacket fit. And so it's like flexible and just kind of squishy and soft and bendable. And I think this is really fun because you could put pictures and stickers and stuff inside of the clear cover and layer it and everything. I think that would be fun. And then there's even a little pocket back here you could stuff stickers. So yeah, that is my Hobonichi order, and I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly this got to me. I mean, I ordered, I think I ordered 1 week, like the middle or beginning of 1 week, and then the next week it arrived. So I think that's pretty awesome, coming all the way from Japan. And you get the freebies with the planners if you order directly from the Hobonichi website, so that's something to think about. But I do know that Jet Pens has a lot of these things in stock, and they restock as frequently as possible. So, but yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you want to see like a detailed overview of any one of these planners. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!